Howdy there, folks. Today we're going to take a look at this OCOOPA, that's OCOOPA rechargeable hand warmer. So you probably know about the old packs where they have like a dry chem in them. You have to shake them around or whatever. They get hot, but they go dead. They don't last very long, and they're kind of not probably the best thing. So these have extra high heat IP56 heavy duty power banks. So you can use this as a power bank as well for like recharging something. Two 10,000 milliamp batteries. And it has TSA carry-on approved. Okay, so opening it up, you have two, so one for each pocket. And these are camo and like an FDE color, have a built-in flashlight. Here, a charge indicator on the top. Really, really, really like these. It's on, it's red. Tap it again, 1, 2, and 3 setting. Okay, we're gonna leave that one over there. It's got your USB charging port in the side. These are fantastic for hunting, backpacking, and camping late season. Opening up this, you have two carrying case, they're green, and USB-C charging cords. Really, really high quality stuff, as well as you have this paracord, very nice quality lanyard as well. So let's go ahead and put this off to the side here and show you how these go on. So you got the lanyard's gonna go right on the lanyard loop. You're gonna pull that all the way through, and then you're gonna have to pull this part back through itself, just like so. This allows you to put it around your wrist so that you don't lose them, or clip them to your backpack. Really excellent because they double as a power bank. So if you're gonna take a power bank anyways to keep, you know, maybe a camera charged or a GPS or something like this on a long hike, well, you might as well get one that you can also use as a little pocket warmer as well. And these are great. Like if you get really cold, you can put them in your sleeping bag. And wow, that gets super hot. Whoa, super hot, oh, it feels so, so good. It's like a warm tap water on you. Button on the side here for the light, really, really nice. I do like them. They were sent to me for review.